Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import PDF file to your Microsoft Word document. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened new document in Microsoft Word, and if you want to import PDF file, we can go to the insert menu right here, and you're going to go to the text tab, and then you're going to select this option or this icon, select text from file, and you're going to choose your PDF file you want to import to your Microsoft Word document. And for example, I'm going to choose this one, and we're going to click on insert. That the PDF file will be imported to your Word file. Okay, I'm just going to click on this OK button and wait for a moment guys. Okay, now it's done. As you can see that the PDF file has been imported to this document. Okay guys, and that's all the way to import PDF file to Microsoft Word document. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.